So it's pretty easy to test a coil and injector. All it is a wire in, two wires, and it goes into a coil, comes back out. So he's got a coil that works as a solenoid that opens up the injector. Normally one's connected to power and the other's connected to the CDI or the computer that grounds it. So grounds it for at a certain time in the combustion cycle and also for a certain duration. But for all we want to know is the coil. So he's going to test one end to the other. So I've got my wires attached via alligator clips and it's reading 15 ohms. I don't know what a good reading is, to be honest, so you best check your manual. And then obviously continuity as well, it's beeping, it should beep. So that's all you're doing, checking to see if that coil is intact. I have done a video of how to check the spray pattern and how to clean it, so I'll link that at the end.